The Samsung Galaxy S25 is coming and it's packed with a punch. Samsung's flagship devices have always been synonymous with cutting-edge technology, and the Galaxy S25 is no exception. With a legacy of alternating between Qualcomm's top Snapdragon and its own Exynos flagship chipsets, Samsung is rumored to be introducing a game-changing third chipset option from MediaTek. According to a report from the Financial News, Samsung is likely to use the Exynos 2500 in the Galaxy S25, pending the chip's yield. This move could be a masterstroke for Samsung's semiconductor business, providing leverage in price negotiations with Qualcomm. But that's not all. The report also highlights the rising cost of Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips, with the current Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 priced around $190 to $200. Rumors suggest that Qualcomm might increase the price of the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 by up to 30%, potentially reaching a whopping $260. Samsung is shaking things up in the smartphone world. The tech giant is exploring new options for its flagship phones, including its own Exynos 2500 and MediaTek's Dimensity chipsets. This could be a game-changer for Samsung, as it would be the first time they've used a MediaTek chipset in their flagship devices. So why the switch? MediaTek's Dimensity chips offer a more affordable alternative to Qualcomm's flagship processors without sacrificing performance. In fact, the upcoming Dimensity 9400 is rumored to be manufactured using the same process as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, TSMC's 3nm and 3E. This means we could see comparable performance between the two chipsets, giving customers more options and better value for their money. The inclusion of a third chipset option in the Galaxy S25 series is a bold move by Samsung, showcasing their willingness to adapt to changing market dynamics and customer needs. While the Galaxy S series has traditionally been associated with Qualcomm and Exynos processors, the introduction of MediaTek chipsets could be a refreshing change for customers. This unexpected competition could also have a positive impact on the market, keeping prices stable even if component prices rise in the future. It's a win-win for customers and a smart move by Samsung to stay ahead of the game. Take this with a grain of salt, but Samsung might be considering a game-changing move for their next-gen S series. While it's still unconfirmed, the possibility of Samsung switching to MediaTek chipsets has got everyone talking. We'll be keeping a close eye on this development and bringing you updates as we get them. Stay tuned. But that's not all. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to be getting a major design overhaul, and we're loving what we're hearing. Samsung's flagship phones have always been style icons, and the S25 Ultra might just take it to the next level. According to reliable tipster Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will ditch the sharp corners of its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, in favor of a more ergonomic design. This means a more comfortable grip and a phone that fits perfectly in your hand. But wait, there's more. Samsung has just unveiled its latest camera sensor, the ISOCELL GNG, and it's a beast. With a 1/1.57-inch sensor size and 1 micron pixels, this sensor is comparable to the one found in the previous S24 and S24 Plus models. Could this be the main camera for the upcoming Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus? We can't wait to find out.